16. Buying clothes. Ben is shopping with his dad for new clothes for school. Okay, so what's on the list you and your mom made? Let's see, 2 pairs of pants, a couple of t-shirts, a hoodie, and some running shoes? Yes, I think that's it. Oh, maybe some socks and underwear. Mine are getting too small. Sure, we'll buy 4 or 5 of each of those. Which store did you want to start at? I don't like shopping. Let's go to Uniqlo, and we can hopefully find everything but the shoes there. I don't like it either, but let's work together to get this done as quickly as possible. Sounds good to me.
17. Window shopping. Tina and Mary are doing some window shopping. Oh, look at those nice sweaters. They're so beautiful. Do you want to go in and check them out? I said that I wouldn't spend any money today. Come on, let's just go see. It can't hurt. Okay, you're right. But don't let me get my credit card out. I'll do my best, but I make no promises. I know how crazy you get when you like something. You know me so well.
Number 18. Talking to a delivery driver. Bob is trying to arrange his delivery. Hi, Bob?
Yes, that's me.
I have a package for you. Are you home now?
No, I'm at work. Can you leave it at my back door?
Sure, will do. I'll sign your name for it, okay?
That's fine. Thank you.
Number 19. Talking to a clerk. Rose is trying to find a specific t-shirt. Excuse me, I'm wondering if you have this t-shirt in a small? There are none on the shelf? I looked through them all. Okay, let me check the computer. We don't have any at this store. But there are lots in stock in Burnaby. Do you want to go there? Or we can get them to ship one here. When could I come back to get it? It would take 2 or 3 days. We can give you a call when it's here. Okay, I think I'll just head over to Burnaby. Thank you.
20. Buying a new computer. Keith is shopping for a new computer. Do you need any help finding something?
I'm looking for a new laptop, but I'm kind of overwhelmed with all the choices.
Sure, I can help you out. What did you need it for?
Basic stuff. Watching Netflix, online banking, email, Facebook, that kind of stuff.
Sure, we have some cheaper computers that'll be perfect for that. Don't waste your money on these high-end gaming computers.
That sounds great to me. I hate computer games.
Okay, let's take a look at some of them.